a lawyer. Yenim hwe yenim say dokono a toahye de aben. Say ye fa general secretary ye fa de oye mranim ni a. The least expectation is say enyoma GF ni be ye no. At least a bam rasem there, the FA will not be found wanting. We expect that the Ghana Football Association, when it comes to legal matters, they will be on top because yaphobia or yamrenimni atnao. And football near Bonabusha be the mranable football a mrapa. And to one I kept by he was so bent on bringing his friend. Chinchi as what Nadam Fibabe General Secretary. No, some of us were thinking that. Of good intent, sir. Said abaya obenya legal advice, papa a free lawyer no. None you may be in the past, be a ne higher no. At least who a lawyer to what ya. It is expected say unyasa problems no. But then here we are. 7.9 Kumasi. And you may be a basic first year law students. Mistakes they will not commit. The Ghana Football Association the general secretary, and in the instance of the GFA, general secretary, you can call him the CEO of the FA. Or not the chief executive officer of the FA. They are committing basic, elementary mistakes. A first year law student will not commit. As a purpose, you know, be the same team say, deliberate. Sir, Obi Oye teacher ni, and I general secretary of the FA. Now, mistakes when it comes to legal issues, you can forgive the person because you know that in that particular aspect, you know, ABO or naive, a green area, man, onye a lawyer, nti we mistakes or law, we can forgive you. Bianca engineer bini yakofa no na oye GF general secretary na. Na busia e ba mrade ho no oye mistake a. Uti be the channel.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Here we are. We have somebody a lawyer. We a lawyer abusia onya a saint into the help my mistakes. We a lawyer onya above committing errors. But we expect that basic things there you must get it right. Basic. And I said it with a lot of passion. I mean, say, but you know what that page is so Prosper Arsenado. Abusia ogun wani masedodo. Ayame ya. He's a friend of mine. So he's madam for him. But I have me because me cancel last year. Ebra ask God to secure injunction. Na ye fear da bi. Class ni nyina wo ho na we Pepe ntiade na maso. Ye nyina ye twen ye hwe de diabetes afi ni baba. Oh, no more releasing referees. Kwa di matches no. Now referees ni bi frɛ FNB bu so say mo ya sure say na GF general secretary nimni no akɔtwa to ni Facebook account say ye be ball no to obi an concentrate ni start league no. No the abasa Friday one game beba live on TV, Saturday game back beba live sa nti beba so nti ye kɔbɔ. Oh yes, I mistake no no twa ne de no. Me nua Sheikh Tofik Akotro be say no man born of a woman for him go see those things you can forgive them emotional outburst. Or deep president Nadama when you be share blaster to kwaya shake near cheska kwame chose ye mani bi it is one no trust ade na emotion but the FF general secretary a lawyer yeah serving with an injunction abusama min charge yeah adwuma court no so court unza yase se unimu mra na to mra nche se ese de chew. Ignorance of the law is no excuse. But sometimes judges use a lot of common sense in taking decisions. And when you are able to express to them that you knew nothing about it, no show background now. Ebi asem no fan chow. But oboko share the minimum sentence, no fan maximum amount. But the people who ought to respect our courts, number one, officers of the court. And when we talk about officers of the court, number one officer of the court, lawyer nino. The entire court school, you say, what goes yambra say, over practice your court. And the Abiana Mamino told General Jumuno, or book court and India, and her court to be bizarre. Ebia driver ni ni book court animtia, but you an officer of the law, I practice mra, I court one what did you know? So we book court animtia. Oh, the Yana Hagi, because you ought to know. But this is a man who came out boldly to tell us, league. Fast forward, we are in another year. Ashgold, Nano, the crater to page Sumubia, Ashgold, Akwaji, an injunction. I told you, sir, securing an injunction itself ain't enough to stop somebody from doing the oil. Name when it is properly served. Once it is served, Abushaya lawyers krano. The moment obi be serve you an injunction, it does not mean say because the oil wouldn't fall. But say we buoba ma court nti enti wa koto asase na wusi dan oso. Asase wonim so ye ho bibia ya odea. O ya adwuma na obi de krata abasa wa injunctive from adwuma na wo ye na fa buoma court na court de ko defend ho. Na se oboka bi wo mu a e bia no ato cement aguo wa fa paafo ye be bon ka gisa sika na ma na mum fa buoma court no, so you stop the building and you go to court. Daniel the assessor zebra court. As good for Akwaji injunction. Per the information I have, it has been properly served. And for this number omo kwa ahead no my launching of the Ghana Premier League. Adena proper Richardo. Me sure say e wo proper nkwa wadwene a wo ye lawyer ne de. Enka onim say dia mo kwa na nya. Bara bia secretary de nyina nto adamforo no mo ko Liverpool na mo tete wo namfofo. Nya no ba ya na FA car menu ana wo port omo diska ko yi omo che ya V8 ne so yusu ba ko na yusu ba ko ket kwa de oba foforo no o ya no ko fam police motoki de nim no mo ye president metisi man wo na pa free abankesi mi se nya wo president ana anya president wa abuza panyi ma dwene ho sam pesa meti ase se ena lunch no mo se baso
Akoma FM
baso so mo lunch am ya bo league no once the FA has been injuncted or they don't still give respect to the court. Among respect injunction here, they are more. Unim says, as good lawyers rebuta penny. And canina case no moon acquires Adiana almost a filing for contempt. If the Ashgrove lawyers had insisted, Senya and who brought a Burma, most of the ESCO members, executive council members, they would have been given jail sentence because contempt of court the young so baby court says
Akoma FM
blatantly refusing to acknowledge adia court aka after the number machena mo pacho mo dia chopa ye nimba bia mo ko fa he a chopa mo de koye me say blasters e ko bo friendly match bi si ane Switzerland no say day no na so mo appear e wo video they needed to appear in a video. Sorry, bear, judge the one mobile. But I saw the baffle from when you say, ya bought to Yanis ha. Obia serve you injunctions, a league nababon. As I say, I have rights and for a whole season. Yanka something the legal vacation ya Diabania, Yabotre, Court, Mr. Sometimes Abushawa Sama, would we throw a petition to the Chief Justice say, I cannot somebody dim into our injunction. Or the wasting time kicker. It please constitute a court for us. Then trust them so. Yeah, but trust try a case, you know. Oh, we know what we need. Oh, call him. But when there is a lawyer in the setup, and they are committing these elementary mistakes, Abusha, I am scandalized by my very good friend Proper Richardo. Me name the sort of advice or the executive council and the president of the FA. I'm careful. So I must say, I like you confess at the end of my year to omo election in June kaka but as go the omo nyintu well yeah ntwede be kwakwesi
Richardo Pepe Suarez ono so Nyansapo mame ko